Hey everyone, welcome to week nine's resource, and this is the loan calculator. And you can see here we've got two tabs. One is for your vehicle finance that you want to pay off, and one is for your home loan that you want to pay off. Let's start with the vehicle finance. I'm just going to run through a few things. If you just want to do it easy and you don't want to do a lot of uh, yeah some formulas and all of that, you can see there's three columns here, and one is your loan amount, whatever you paid for your vehicle, your interest rate, the interest rate that you're going to pay per year for your vehicle, and the loan period. How long is it? Is it 5 years? And here it will calculate it automatically what your monthly payment is. So if you just want to use it purely for that, to see, hey, how much interest am I going to pay? How much how much is my monthly payment? Even if I want to do a home loan or a vehicle loan, it is easy to do it. Let's change here. Let's quickly see. Let's say vehicles 120,000. That will be your monthly payment. Then here you have your months. Every month here, your loan amount. See that is that amount. The principal. Now remember your principal, your beginning amount. The amount that you paid for the vehicle, and this is now maybe with that additional policies that you had to, and the finance cost. What was the total amount that you actually borrowed? This is just round figures. And then you've got your interest, your principal that you're paying every month, and the end amount. So how does that get calculated? It's your loan amount. This is the loan payment. This is the monthly payment that you pay. Now this is made out of the principal and the interest. Now your interest and your principal together is that amount, but only your principal gets deducted. The interest is the cost that you have to pay. Here I'm going to show you guys a little bit more about the interest and principal. So in a yearly period, here on the side you'll find it. The principal amount in this year, this is what you paid off of your vehicle, and this is the interest. The interest that you paid, let's go on the formulas. That is your interest that was paid. And then if you want to see what is being paid in a year, this is the amount. It's 43,000 rand that you're paying on interest on this vehicle of 120,000. So that means that the interest plus what you're going to pay for the 5 years plus the amount that you borrowed, you are paying for this vehicle not 120, but you are paying for it 120 plus that 43, so it's 163,000 that you're paying for the vehicle. Now the same year with a home loan. Let's see the home loan. Let's say you've got a home loan of $1 million, and the interest rate is about 10%, and it's a 30-year home loan. This is your monthly payment that you're going to have to pay. Here we can see all of that. But what I want to show you guys, especially with a home loan, because it's such a big amount, what you are initially paying, and because it's stretched over such a period, this is what you're actually paying for the first year. The interest, even though you're paying 8,700 a month, your interest is that, and your principal for the entire year, that's the only thing that's being paid off. Look here, this is your monthly payment, but only that principal. How small is that? 400 rand there. This is the only amount you're actually paying off in your first year. For the next year is like 500, just picking up a little bit. It takes so long for this to pay off this home loan, because it's only small amounts that you're paying. And so many people pay for years. A house that's R1 million. Let's see the interest. If you go down all the way to the bottom, how much are you paying on interest for this house? Over a 30-year period, it's 2,159,000 rand. So a 1 million rand house, you're paying this in interest. So in 30 years, you're paying 3,159,000. Your future self is paying so much for this house. Now, let's go back and quickly see if you are one of those that wants to geek out and play with the formulas and play with the sheet. Let me quickly show you guys a few things every month. Now this is your vehicle payment. Let's say month 12 you get a bonus in December, and you choose the 10,000 rand bonus that you have. You're gonna put that into your loan payment, capital payment, once off 10,000, kaboom. Now I just want to quickly, so remember this populates from the top every time. So the next month you're not going to pay 10,000. If you can, you want to, you can do it. but it's probably back to that payment again. And that 12,000, look here, 8,000 gets deducted. It's jumping, boom, big time. So in this year, all of a sudden your principal now is 25,000. Now, let's go to the bottom. So you see all of this. This is now that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months that you're getting off, that you're not going to pay now, that you don't have to pay anymore on this vehicle. Let's see, let's say you do month 24. That's another December that you get a bonus, but this time the bonus is 15,000. Just using round figures here. Kaboom! Let's change that again. So 15,000 here. Look, that principal amount. Now, how many? Because you decided 2 years in a row to put your bonus in. There is how many months less? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hey man, it's almost 12 months. It's a big chunk of your payments that is less now. Let's reduce this. Let's show you guys. So actually, what you have left in this month here will then, if you want to play around with the math, all of that is reduced. So all of those periods, those months, you are not paying anything. You don't want to pay the bank extra. And here on your principal, you only that month you only have to pay it's that amount minus what you overpaid there, 139.92. Here we go. So your last month, month 50, is that. And if you want to pay more, let's say you added another 1,000 rand every month, it can be so much easier. Let's say 3,700 that you decided to pay every month from here on. And then 3,700 there as well. Boom. That means all these months, because you decided to add that extra 1,000, all these months, all of a sudden, you don't have to pay. How amazing is that, guys? How amazing is that? That's the power of paying off your loans earlier, and you want to just pay more on the capital. I hope this really helps you.